Good afternoon, class. Today, we're going to write a song. And by write a song, I mean we're going to actually write a song, as in melody, chords, everything. Now, I've given you the liberty of either choosing the chord progression that I picked out in the key of C major, or you can come up with your own. But the most basic chord progression to use is a 1-6-4-5-1 progression, which in the key of C is going to be C major, A minor, F major, G major, and then back to C major. Now I've taken these chords and I've recorded them in GarageBand, so let's give them a listen. Now what you saw at the bottom were the notes in the left hand. While the right hand is playing the chords, the left hand is going to be playing the root of each chord. So if your right hand is going to play C, C, E, and G, your left hand is going to play just C. So on and so forth. Now, like I said, you can choose this chord progression in this key, or you can choose the same chord progression in a different key. It's up to you. But an example of a melody that I created for this key sounds like this. Now you can create your own melody. You don't have to use the melody that I'm using, but just for convenience, it's recommended that you use the sample melody that I created. Now, for that melody, what it is G, 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 F, E, F, G, C, G, 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 F, E, F, G, D, B, C, G, 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 F, E, F, G, C, G, 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 F, E, F, G, C, B, C. Sorry about the hesitation. Now, it's a simple melody, pretty straightforward, and it's easy to learn. And you can come up with words, your own lyrics, or you can, well, I'm tasking you to come up with your own lyrics, but these are the lyrics that I have come up with for that specific melody. When you're down, you gotta get back up. Don't wear a frown, just keep on smiling again. When you're down, you gotta get back up. Don't wear a frown, just keep on smiling again. A pretty cute melody, a pretty happy song. I encourage you to write your lyrics that suit the key. Meaning, if it's a song in major, write lyrics that would be happy. Or if it's a song in minor, write lyrics that would be a little on the sadder side. I encourage you to write about something that makes you happy, like your dog or your family members, or just life in general. If life makes you happy, I encourage you to write about that. Thank you, and I hope to hear your songs in class tomorrow.